Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is lesson 455. Title of today's lesson is the difference between all time and all the time. Yeah, this is one where students sometimes get confused. There's a lot of students that think all time actually means the same thing as all the time. No, so in this video we will clearly show you the differences between the two. Okay, let's take a look at the board for a second. All right, if someone used the adjective all time or all time, so either with a hyphen or without a hyphen, if it comes directly before a noun, you probably should be using it with a hyphen. If it's just on its own, then probably without a hyphen. He or she is usually comparing a particular thing or person with all the other ones of the same type or in the same category that ever existed before. So you're saying this one is like the best of all those from before. Well, maybe even the worst. You could say all-time worst as well as all-time best. All right, let's continue. It could also have a second meaning that something has not been surpassed or beaten up to the present time. So nothing has, gone above it. Okay, let's continue. Now, all the time is an adverb. Which means that something occurs or is done very often. So it happens all the time or continually. All right. And we have 7 examples here to show you all these ideas. So here's the first one. Bobby Bonds is the all-time major league home run leader. Yeah. So meaning that right now in the major leagues, there's no other player that hit more home runs than him. So it's used in sports a lot, that somebody could be the all-time, some sort of champion, or, he has this record, the all-time record. That's the best that there is, at least at the present time. All right, number 2 here. The movie, that movie is my all-time favorite. So it can be used this way, like on a personal sense, if you are the one who's the judge and the jury about this movie, this is your all-time favorite. No other movie beats this one. This is the best one. Okay, good. All right, the next one, number 3. The value of gold in recent months has hit an all-time high. So, of course it goes up and down a little bit. It might have fell down below the all-time high again too, but it might again in the near future go back up above that. But the point is, in the last few months it surpassed its old record, and it hit an all-time high just in this last month or two. Okay, let's go on. All right, number 4. I think this is the best mystery novel of all time. All right, so again here, you don't have all time directly before the noun, so you probably will use it without the hyphen. All right, and again, this is your personal opinion. Okay, number 5. I cannot be with you all the time. Remember, sometimes we say all the time means continually. I can't be with you continually. You have to learn how to do this on your own. Okay, good. Number 6. It is so frustrating. I make this mistake all the time, meaning you make this mistake very often. You do it all the time. Okay, and number 7 here. That's not unusual. Like maybe the other person did think this was unusual. That happens all the time. That happens often. That happens a lot. So yes, it happens all the time. Okay, anyway, hope you got it. I hope you can clearly see the difference between all time and all the time now, and have a much better idea when you would use which one. Okay, thank you for your time. Bye-bye.